Intelligent accounts payable processes. How the traditional accounts payable processes, which were tedious and time consuming, gets transformed to fast, intelligent processes with innovations in intelligent technologies like robotic process automation, machine learning, situation handling, and analytics with SAP S4HANA. So let's begin. From invoice processing to managing open payables to completing the payments, the intelligent innovations automates and simplifies all these repetitive time-consuming tasks for the accounts payable team. Automatic upload of supply invoices. This bot reads the supply invoices and email attachments in supported formats like PDF. AP accountant need to trigger the bot from IRPA Factory. Next, the bot can be executed from the desktop agent. IRPA Factory monitors the bot and updates the status. The bot reads the supply emails from the inbox and moves them to success or failure folders as per the execution. The monitor updates the status and gives the output log of successful or unsuccessful upload with the reasons. Automated upload of manual entries via API. This bot fetches the vendor invoice template from Microsoft Outlook, extracts and validates them, and uploads the entries in SAP S4HANA system via API. It gives the output log with summary of uploaded entries. Supply invoice status check. You can inform the bot to receive supply invoice list through emails or from a shared folder on your system. You enter the email address so that the bot execution report is sent to the email account you have entered. Thus, the bot automates the process of fetching supply emails, checking the invoice and payment status in SAP S4HANA system, and also replying back to them. Supplier down payment request. You mention the output directory and email address to send the bot execution report to. The bot will navigate to the Monitor Purchase Order Down Payment Request app, filter the purchase order down payments whether overdue or due today, and create down payment request for them. Next is the Business Partner Master Data Check bot. Again, the bot will check the business master data for any inconsistency or missing information like missing payment information, which is a prerequisite for doing the payment run. Now next we see how machine learning simplifies the GRIR reconciliation process. The machine learning does the training based on the past data, and it gives the proposed root cause and the proposed next action for the mismatch items. So next, the accounts payable manager can take the decision, the final decision, based on the next steps suggested by the machine, and the machine would further get trained on this decision taken by the accounts payable manager. Next, we see situation handling. So the accounts payable team might need to collaborate with other team members, other departments like purchaser, and he can do this by changing the processor in the open item, and this sends a notification to the purchaser. The purchaser would receive a notification and would send the details on this notification. Finally, with the reporting, you get embedded analytics capabilities with the Accounts Payable Overview Analytical app. This app gives you real-time data to make quick and intelligent business decisions. Thus, you can transform your traditional accounts payable processes with the intelligent technologies with SAP S4HANA. So do stay tuned with the latest innovations in intelligent technologies with SAP S4HANA.